We all bleed blood when we undergo any accident or injury, but it is not that everyone will bleed the same blood type. Our blood will be different from others. But why do we have different types of blood? Today we will see that in a detailed manner. Before we get into that, I would like to thank Kamakshi, my Patreon, who contributed the best to show their support. And if you are also interested to support, you can contribute the best at Patreon. The link is in the description. You're watching Beyond, and let's get into our video. Our blood cells contains a protein called hemoglobin that generally binds to oxygen. Now our blood will transport the oxygen throughout the body. The blood do have a complex protein on the outside of the cell membrane, and these complex proteins are known as antigens. The antigens communicate with white blood cells. The immune cells protect against infection. The antigen serves as an identifying markers. This allows the immune system to recognize our body's own cells and prevent from attacking them as foreign bodies. There are two kinds of antigens, A and B, that are responsible to determine our blood type. With these two antigens, we get different kinds. The antigens are generally coded for three different alleles. The A and B alleles code for A and B antigens, while the O allele code for neither. Further, we inherit a copy of each gene from each parent. Each individual has two alleles determining the blood type. When they are different, one overrides the other depending on their relative dominance. The A and B alleles are dominant while O is recessive. When both the parents have A type, then the child will also have the blood type as A. Similarly, when both parents have blood type as B, then the child will also have B as their blood type. But if one of the parent has A and the other parent has B, then the child will have AB as its blood type. If one of the parent has O while the other has either A or B, then the child will have either A or B, since O is recessive. If both the parents have O type, then the child will have O type blood. After knowing all the possible types, why does the blood type matter? For blood transfusions, finding the correct one is a matter of life and death. If someone with type B blood is given with type A blood, the antibodies will reject the foreign antigens and attack them. This causes the blood to clot and leading to death. But people with AB produce both A and B antigens, so they don't make antibodies against them, and further recognize the blood given as a safe thing. This is why AB blood type is said to be universal recipients. Since blood type O doesn't produce any antigen, they are called universal donors. But the immune system to make antibodies will reject any other blood type, causing to death. After all these also, matching the donors and recipients is a bit complex and complicated one due to an additional antigen systems, particularly the Rh factor, which was named after the rhesus monkeys in which it was first isolated. Rh plus or Rh minus refers to the presence or absence of the D antigen in the Rh blood group system. Further, during pregnancy, if the mother has Rh minus while the child has Rh plus, it leads to complications, as the Rh antibodies of the mother will attack the child. This condition is known as hemolytic disease of the newborn. Different species have different set of antigens. We humans have 4 types of blood groups, which again has evolved through apes, while dogs have 13 types and varies with other animals. Hope this video helped to know why we have different types of blood groups. However, still scientists are trying to find out the main evolution at which all these started. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get instant notification whenever I release a new video. Do share it with your friends and comment on what we need to speak next. You can also support my channel by contributing the best you can at patreon.com. The link is provided in the description as said earlier. Meet you all in my next video. Until then, don't forget to think big.